Thanks for joining me back in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful idea for you to show someone special tomorrow that you love them with breakfast fit for a king on Valentine's Day, or a queen, and even if that person is just yourself, like me. So what you're going to need to make these are a couple of eggs, a little bit of milk, a bit of nutmeg, some fresh mint, sun-dried tomatoes and Parmesan cheese. What we're going to do is to whisk these up together and pour them into a little ramekin. I have one with a lid, which is ideal. If you don't, you can just put some cling film over the top and you're going to have the same effect. Then we're going to steam them in a saucepan with a little water until they set, and you'll be able to spoon them up and have the most delicious egg breakfast that you can imagine. It's going to be healthy and decadent at the same time. All you're going to need to go with it is a nice slice of toast and you're set for the day. The best way to show someone you care is to cook for them. Cooking is love. We all love cooking, and if you love this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, come back and follow me for more, and let's cook. For today's recipe, you are going to need eggs, milk, mint, sun-dried tomatoes, grated Parmesan cheese, nutmeg, some bread for toasting, and a little parsley.